For me?
I know you wanted ice cream, but I made you a cake.
That's all for me?
It's all for you.
Thank you. See ya.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Time to wakey wakey. Big stretches. Let's go outside before the storm comes, okay? It's going to be stormy today. We're going to have a stormy, rainy day, Henry. Hi, buddy. Did you have a good sleep? You ready to get up? Okay, let's go. It's so dark at my house. It's so dark. I scooted out today, had a little haircut. It's so dark because we're about to get more rain. Hurricane remnants from Ida. It's supposed to really be rough. Like 5 to 7 inches of rain in like a short span of time. So we're a little nervous about that. Possible thunderstorms, all that stuff. So, what's going on? You still beating up Tom? You like to beat up Tom? Yeah, you do. We're gonna have a rainy night. You wanna have a shower? Maybe Mom and Daddy give you a shower. Alright. Get it over with. I'll be right back. I gotta notice that I had an Amazon delivery. Okay? Yeah. I gotta notice your nurse just left. Anna went home. You wanna go sit with Daddy? Oh yeah, oh yo yo. Hi. Go ahead.
Who's doing my phone?
I didn't finish the message yet.
Where's the phone?
Yeah, start laughing. I want to get the giggles.
Chicken Little. Don't swing! Don't swing! Stop!
There was an ape throwing coleslaw? Daniel, it's gonna rain a lot out there tonight. A lot of rain. So much rain. There's a warning out.
Tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I wanna.
No, he's not. I'm a gutless flip-flopper. What are you doing? We're having a silly night, aren't we? He's nice and clean. We just washed him. We just washed it. He smells so good. He smells like fabric softener, doesn't he? Your buddy? He went right into the wash. We survived the storm. We did. We're doing okay. I'm going to take the dogs out for a little air here. Little walkies. John went on a walk. It's really beautiful. You know, it was so rainy. We had like 5, 6 inches, 7 inches of rain in one night. And it got bad. Some areas got real floody. I think I see Daddy. Come on. It's Daddy. Oh wow. A river flowing here. Look at that from the rain. Oh, it's all messed up. This was totally dried. Nice trench. So go over it, not through it. Oh, you'd really hurt yourself if you twisted an ankle in there. It's beautiful out though. At least the wind didn't take down the trees. Oh, poor Zora Road.
At one point, there's two big trenches on either side of the street, and then they merged together, and then came across the road.
Wow.
Somewhere up here, on this corner where there's a pipe that they put underneath the road. So it takes the water from the left side of the road, right? Because that's higher ground over here on the left. And then takes it underneath the road.
You can't see it from the road.
In the fall you can see it.
Hi guys. Hi sheeps and goats and chickens at the farm. Sheep, goats, and chickens. Lots of chickens. They have such a cute little farm. That barn is gorgeous inside too. I've been in there.
Yeah.
Good girl, Holly. I didn't put her vest on because I didn't know how far we were going. It'll be a looky-looey.
Go for a look.
Looky-looey.
Yeah.
And like, this is really funny because like some spots are so deep. Others aren't so much. Like there's roots of trees that have been exposed.
Well,
Way down there.
soil is, right?
That's a good like 2 inches, 3 feet. Hi, Daniel. Are you having a good walk? Hello. Hello.
Watch out.
All the Jeeps are going down the road so they can...
Shorten up that leash, Julie. Oh, here comes the truck. Come on this side, Karen.
Come on, let's go. Before I get yelled at again. Daniel's coming down the road. He's happy today. Hi, I see you. Enjoying your walk? My bliss has been interrupted by the ever frustrating requests from financial aid at Berklee College of Music. It's like they're digging back into past times and wanting to know this, wanting to know that. And I go through this sometimes, you know, it's like, okay, so yeah, it looks like we have had some assets, but everything goes into the financial pot for medical expenses and life, most of it related to Daniel. So frustrating. Like, Thomas is supposed to check in, and school starts like Tuesday, and he's supposed to check in tomorrow, which is Friday. And I'm sure everything is fine. It's just they're asking me questions about 2019, 2 years ago. So, like, why are they asking me now? They gave him financial aid for that year already. I'm just baffled. Maybe they think I'm lying. I'm not. Berkeley, you're killing me. I hate that Thomas is like sitting there frustrated because he can't register yet. He needs to tomorrow. I don't know what the problem is. It's just like little, I don't know, information. I'm frustrated. Anyway, I'm trying to do everything I can. Let's go see Daniel. His nurse just left. It was a nice day today. We all had a beautiful long walk. Oh, it's nice in here. It's got the beautiful lights going. Oh, I thought he was awake. He's sound asleep. John's calling. You made a cake
Give me the cake.
for me?
I know you wanted ice cream, but I made you a
That's
cake.
all for me?
It's all for you.
Thank you. See ya.
Okay.
Bye. You made a cake because we had a cake mix? That's so nice, though. What a nice treat. All right, I gotta take the dogs out, and then I'll have a piece. Maybe have some tea. Wow, romantic music, a cup of nice tea, and a cake for me.
And
And this
A spouse.
hunka burning love over here.
I'm a hunk of something, but I don't know if I'm a hunk of burning love.
Oh, we gotta get a napkin. This is gonna be messy.